Hey everyone, and today we're going to learn how to set up a security camera with an actual live feed from a camera inside of our game. So the first thing we need to do is hop on over to Filebase, and I'm going to grab Computer 02. This has a bunch of nice little things, including security monitors. Drop those into your scene, and when you do, you may be in a different rendering pipeline, and if that's the case, your materials may be pink. So you're going to want to have to turn your pink materials into the proper converted pipeline materials. Once you do that, let's go ahead and set our monitor into our scene. And then also, once we do that, we're going to right click, go to 3D, and we're going to add a plane as a child underneath. And this is going to be our screen. So let's go ahead and shrink down this screen so that it fits into kind of like the video section. We're also going to distort it a little bit to like a 16:9 kind of aspect ratio. Then we're going to right click and we're going to go ahead and create a new camera, and this is going to be our camera feed. Now make sure you turn off the audio listener. You can't have two audio listeners. And if you hold Control-Shift-F, you can place your camera from your scene perspective. Once you do that, go into Project, hit the plus button, and we're going to go ahead and add in a render texture. Let's go ahead and rename this texture to like your camera feed. And inside this camera feed, we're going to go click on our camera, and down below where it says environment and output, and it has a target texture, we're going to take that target texture that we just created, that new render texture, and drop it into that area. Once that's done, let's go ahead and create a new material. And inside this material, we have a base map. Now we're going to take that render texture into that base map. So now that the camera is feeding to that target texture, and now we have a screen that's eating up that texture. So when we press play and we go live, you can now see that our camera is live, and we can see our player moving inside of a scene like we would a normal surveillance camera in a video game. New to coding? Feel like those tutorials are speaking an alien language? Yeah, we've been there. That's why we built GameDev HQ, a place where you can actually learn by building. Our monthly membership gives you access to 900 plus hours of hands-on training from 2D to 3D to VR, AR, first-person, and third-person games. Plus, you'll get our 12,000 game asset library, daily check-ins, one-on-one tech support, and live workshops 6 days a week where we'll cover the stuff that you want to learn. We're not just developers, we're gamers too, and we love helping people like you turn that first line of code into something awesome. Come hang out with us and let's build something together. Check us out at GameDevHQ.com.